These hacks won't appear in your owner's manual, and I guarantee most riders have never even heard of them. Yet, they're the little secrets that separate the riders who spend thousands at the mechanic from the ones who keep their bikes running smooth with just a few smart tricks. Think about it. Your manual tells you the basics: change your oil, check your tires, adjust your chain. But what it doesn't tell you are the hidden shortcuts and maintenance habits that not only save you money, but also prevent breakdowns at the worst possible time. And here's the kicker. If you know even half of these hacks, you're already ahead of 90% of riders out there. That's not an exaggeration. It's a fact you'll see for yourself by the end of this video. But here's the warning. Ignore these hacks and you'll pay for it. Literally. Mechanics make a living off riders who skip the small stuff. Hack number 4 especially. That one shocked even me. Number 1. Chain cleaning shortcut. Most riders either go overboard with WD-40 or, worse, don't clean their chains at all. The belief is simple. WD-40 fixes everything. It's marketed as a miracle spray, so bikers think it must be perfect for chain care too. But here's the truth. WD-40 is a degreaser, not a lubricant. It strips away the factory lube that your chain desperately needs, leaving it dry and vulnerable. The real secret? Kerosene and a cheap toothbrush. That combo dissolves dirt and grime without damaging the O-rings or seals, and it costs next to nothing. Once the chain's clean, a quick re-lube keeps it running smooth. The result? A chain and sprocket set that lasts thousands of miles longer, saving you hundreds in replacement costs. Remember this, your chain deserves a spa day. Number 2. Brake fluid flush timing. Most riders believe brake fluid only needs attention when the brake starts squealing or feeling soft. That's the myth. If it's stopping the bike, it must be fine. But here's the truth. Brake fluid silently absorbs moisture over time. Even if your bike is sitting in the garage, humidity works its way in, thinning the fluid and lowering its boiling point. Now imagine blasting down the highway, grabbing the brakes hard, and suddenly that overheated fluid boils. The result? Spongy levers, fading power, or even complete brake failure. That's not something you want to discover at 70 miles per hour. The secret hack is simple. Flush and replace your brake fluid every 1 to 2 years, whether it feels fine or not. It's cheap, quick, and life-saving. Because remember, brakes don't squeal before they fail. Number 3. Battery tender habit. A lot of riders assume battery care is only a problem for old bikes or riders who live in freezing climates. The myth goes, if the bike starts today, the battery's fine. But here's the truth. Modern motorcycle batteries hate being left idle. Even after just 2 weeks of sitting in your garage, that slow drain can leave you stranded with a dead starter. The secret hack? A simple battery tender, also called a trickle charger. You just plug it in whenever your bike will be sitting for more than a week or 2, and it keeps the charge healthy without overloading. The difference is massive. Your battery lasts twice as long, and you never deal with the embarrassment of a no start at the gas station. Remember, a $30 tender saves $300 headaches. Number 4. Dent removal with boiling water. Here's the one that surprises almost everyone. Most riders think a dented tank or fairing means an expensive trip to the body shop. The belief is only a professional can fix dents without making it worse. And mechanics won't correct you because those cosmetic jobs bring in easy money. But the truth? For many small dents, you don't need fancy tools at all. You just need boiling water. Pour it carefully over the dented area, and while the panel is hot and flexible, apply gentle pressure from the inside or use a plunger-style tool. In most cases, the dent pops right back out. It's not magic, it's physics. Heat expands the metal, and pressure restores its shape. End result? You save hundreds on repairs, and your bike looks clean again. Number 5. DIY air filter hack. Most riders treat the air filter like some mystical part that only a dealer should touch. The myth is, if I mess with it, I'll ruin the engine. And of course, dealerships love that thinking, because every time you bring it in, they charge you for something you can do in your own garage. Here's the truth. Cleaning and maintaining your air filter is one of the easiest, most effective hacks you can do. For reusable foam filters, a little warm soapy water, a gentle rinse, and a quick dry are all it takes. Then add a light coat of filter oil, and it's good as new. Even paper filters can be carefully tapped or blown out for extra life. The benefit? Better mileage, smoother throttle response, and a bike that literally breathes easier. Your lungs breathe easier, so should your bike. Number 6. Tire pressure and rotation ritual. Most riders think tire care begins and ends with just inflate them when they look low. The myth is that tires are fine as long as they're not visibly flat. But here's the truth. Underinflation or overinflation silently eats away at grip, handling, and tire life long before you notice. Add in the fact that tires lose a little air every week, and it's a recipe for blowouts on the road. The secret hack is to make tire checks part of your riding ritual. A simple gauge once a week, plus adjusting pressures seasonally, makes your bike safer and your tires last longer. And if your bike allows, rotating front and rear occasionally, or flipping a tire if the tread permits, spreads wear evenly. End result? Fewer blowouts, better cornering, and longer life. Remember the difference between sliding out and riding out. Number 7. Rust prevention trick. Most riders only think about rust after a rainy ride, grabbing some polish when the damage is already visible. The belief is, as long as I wipe it down after the rain, I'm safe. But rust doesn't wait for you. It starts creeping in on hidden bolts, frame joints, and even under your seat where moisture lingers. Here's the real hack. A quick spray of silicone lubricant on exposed metal and hidden areas acts like invisible armor. It repels water, prevents corrosion, and keeps your bike looking new. Unlike heavy oils, silicone doesn't attract dirt, so you won't end up with greasy streaks. The benefit? You stop rust before it even begins, avoiding costly repairs and ugly surprises. Because here's the truth. Invisible armor is what your mechanic hopes you forget. So there you have it. 7 maintenance hacks you won't find in your owner's manual. But every seasoned rider knows they make all the difference. From giving your chain that kerosene spa day, to keeping your brake fluid fresh, to protecting against sneaky rust. These aren't flashy upgrades. They're the quiet secrets that save you money, extend your bike's life, and keep you safer on the road. And here's the thing, most riders will never bother with them. That's why if you're applying even 3 of these hacks, you're already riding smarter than 90% of bikers out there. It's not just about looking after your bike, it's about owning your ride with confidence, independence, and pride. So let me ask you, which of these hacks are you already doing? And which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join this insider club of riders who actually know how to keep their bikes alive.